to my channel. My name is Nicole if you are new here, and this is a Simplistic Home. Here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And speaking of thrifting, today is another thrift with me, so I'm super excited. We're going to go into one of my favorite local thrift stores like I always do, and then I'm hoping to hit up the Salvation Army, maybe the Goodwill. We'll see. There is supposed to be a pretty bad storm in my area this afternoon, like late this afternoon into the evening, so it's currently like 9:15 in the morning, so I should have plenty of time, but we will go and just find out, just kind of play it by ear. So anyway, enough chatting, let's get to thrifting. Today I'm going to be focusing on mainly decor. I have been sharing some clothing in my thrift with me videos, but I think we're going to focus on just decor today unless I just find some really great finds with clothing. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. out of thrift store number one. and I did end up buying something in there. So they had a lot of really cute things in there today, as you saw. But one of the things I did pick up is this little like pottery lamp. So it's literally like pretty much perfect condition. There's a few little like scratches on it, but honestly I kind of like it like that. So I just need to get a shade, but I might put this in my kitchen at some point. I have a little one in my kitchen right now underneath of my kitchen cabinets, and I really like that, but I liked having the option for a lighter lamp just to kind of switch it up if I ever wanted to. So it was $4. And then I also picked up a like basic tee and a dress. One of my friends is actually getting married next month, and I needed something to wear to her wedding, and I found a dress that is like perfect condition, perfect colors. It actually matches her wedding, which is funny. So anyway, I found that too. So I ended up spending like less than $10. I think it was like $9 and some change. So pretty great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the next thrift store. It'll probably be the last one for today, only because it is getting a little later in the day and I still need to pick up my groceries. But other than that, we're off to a good start, I think. So let's go ahead to the next location. Alright, so I just got out of thrift store number 2. That is the final location for today. And I scored some lamps. So I showed you guys those lamps right there. I got them. I'm going to do a DIY, I think. I really love those like pottery looking lamps. And I actually have my eye on some at Target, but they're out of my price range. I really don't want to spend like $60 on one lamp when I would like to have 2 of them. So I've been looking for some like cool shapes and whatnot that I could like do a DIY project on, and I really want some black ones. So if you would be interested in seeing like a DIY pottery lamp, let me know and I can make a video out of that. I think that could be fun. So I have a console table in my living room right below that arched mirror. I don't know if you guys remember what that or not, but if you've seen like my decorating videos and whatnot, you probably remember it. But anyway, eventually I thought about putting like a lamp over there, but I want to find like a bigger one because I like statement pieces. So anyway, these were $5 a piece. So I got them back there. One is in the car seat and one is just sitting in the middle. So anyway, $5 a piece, can't beat that. And then I also found like a button up linen shirt. I really like those for summer and stuff. So found one of those, but this is going to be all for today's video. I need to go pick up my groceries Aldi and head home before the storm hits. So thankfully it seems like it's kind of maybe not going to hit us as hard as they were expecting. We were talking about like tornadoes and stuff. So it would be nice if that would pass and just not happen. But anyway, needless to say, I'm gonna go head home. But thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed thrifting with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Like I said at the beginning, the simplistic home is all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. So a lot of fun over here with all the things budget friendly. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. And don't forget to check me out over on Instagram as well. I would love to have you over there too. I'm pretty active on there as well. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.